Monster Garage motor style shop. So look, this big box is kind of getting glare from the outside sun. Anyway, so it's finally here. This is the new ARRMA KRATON 8S BLX, but it's also EXB, so it's an extreme bash roller 8S BLX. So I just opened the box and I wanted to pull out the truck and do the review right away, but I ran into some technical difficulties, and let me show what happened. So when you open the box, it's a big box. Look what's going on here. It's not assembled. They give you wheels that you have to actually put back. So I say, okay, so let's start with the wheels. So it's very cool because the wheels on this thing have actually a metal rim inside, like on the hexagon, and they actually made it this time in a way that it's embedded in the shape of the wheel, the X, but it also have those notches that preventing it from moving. Now over here, the edges, it's what usually end up tearing off, and we'll see how long it's gonna last. Because they have like a stronger motor on it, but it should have been cool if there was a lip over here giving us even the option to make it beadlocks, because you guys know that those tires like to explode, but it's look like it's fairly glued good. So let's see what will happen. And while it's outside like this, if you guys don't know the trick, so those tires like to balloon a lot. So what you do, you take in like it's called fuse wire. It's very thin metal wires, and you just go over the entire thing and you wrap it out a couple times, and you twist it and fold it sideways, and then it cannot stretch, and it's not really going to tear it out. It just make it actually work a little bit better. So we got here 4 wheels. Let's throw them away over here. They're all going wherever they feel like it. Yeah, breaking my shop. Now we got here the body, and of course they're giving you assembly guide. If you don't know and you need the assembly guide, you should send it back because this is very easy. Anyway, while it's still on the box, it's wrapped really nice. It's just beautiful, but we can actually already look here and see those arms, how beefy they are, and the adjustment here that it's actually plastic aluminum threads into the ball link over here. This is actually really nice. We're going to take it out in the box after I assemble it and show you actually some more details. The body have a different colors, so stay tuned. I'm gonna do a second video right now. I'm just gonna start assembling it, and then I'm gonna show it, and we're gonna go from there. But I need to take it out of the box. They tie in them with the zip ties that you actually have to cut. So I prepare all of this so you don't have to wait for me, and we go out from there, and then we're gonna go bash it. Stay tuned. This is video number 1. Jump to video number 2 probably like later on today or tomorrow, and we go from there. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. We're gonna do like the new review for the ARRMA. It's kind of KRATON EXB BLX 8S. There's a lot of stuff being changed, so stay tuned.